Imagine waking up one morning, opening your YouTube studio, and suddenly notice that your views are going up and your videos are recommended everywhere. That is magic. What if I told you that YouTube might already be ready to push your channel, but only if you notice these 5 signs? Yes, so stay with me to the very end of this video, because if you notice these 5 signs early on your channel, your growth could explode. The moment I started noticing these particular signs on my channel, that is when my channel started blowing up. So I start sticking to those signs. If you want to grow on YouTube and take your channel to the next level, this is a video you need to watch today. Don't skip any part of this video, because you are going to learn a whole lot of how your channel is going to blow up. The very first sign you are going to notice is that your watch time and average view durations will keep improving. I mean, they will start going up. Yes, this is the sign number one. When you notice these signs on your channel, that means YouTube have started noticing your videos when people actually watch them. I'm talking about watch time and average view duration. Now, if viewers are staying on your video longer than before, maybe before they are staying up to less than 1 minute or 1 minute thought, that is a big green flag. Now, here is the thing: YouTube loves it when people stick around on one particular video or even on one particular channel. So while doing this, you need to ask yourself, are people watching till the very end of your video? Are they skipping less? Are they abandoning some parts of the video? Then that is where you need to make some adjustment. Even small increase you can make YouTube think, hey, this content is good, let's show it to more people. But without them knowing that, you just play it smarter. Now, the tips I want to give you is always check your analytics and see if your average watch time is going up. Like, check it video by video. Check your analytics video by video, your watch time. That is your first sign that YouTube is ready to push your channel and ready to blow up your channel. The second sign is your click-through rate is improving. Click-through rate tells YouTube how many people saw your video after recommending it to the homepage or recommended section. You need to think about it like this: if you made a thumbnail about AI and a lot of people clicked on it, YouTube will now say, wow, people love this video, and they will start showing it to even more people, and that is a plus sign for you. So always make sure you check your click-through rate in your YouTube studio. If it's rising, like if the arrows are going up and is showing green sign, that is a big sign, and congratulations to you. That is another sign that YouTube might push and blow up your channel. Now, here is a quick tip: always keep your thumbnail clear and your title exciting, but not a clickbait title. You want people to stay and click on your channel, so always make sure that your thumbnail and your titles are very clear and catchy. Now, the third sign is early engagement. Yes, this is super important. You know that YouTube loves it when a particular video gets an engagement. Now, when you upload a video, YouTube watches what happened in the first hour or 2 hours after you post a video. Now, YouTube will start observing if there is like, if there is comments, or if there is any shares. And if there is these 3 things, it tells YouTube, hey, people like this. Now, I have one question for you: are your first few viewers commenting and sharing your video? Now, if yes, that is amazing. Yes, that is a very good signal that your channel is about to blow up. It means that your content resonates to what your audience wants, and YouTube might start recommending it to more people at any given time. So once you notice this early engagement, you start replying immediately so that YouTube can still push it to more people. Now, here is a quick tip: ask a simple question in your video. Maybe you can drop a pinned comment: which tip helped you the most? Or comment below, if you try this particular comment or this particular strategy encourages early engagement. Like I've seen some big YouTubers that when they upload a video, the first comment you see on their video comment is them acknowledging small YouTubers for them to gather on their comment section the right way. So if you start doing this, using these helpful tips, using pick comments or trying to engage them early, it drives what? Engagement, and YouTube might actually from that particular strategy blow up and push that particular video. And you know what happens when YouTube starts recommending your video. So these are the little things you can start doing right now to blow up your channel. You don't even have to wait for YouTube to do the job. You can do these little things by yourself consistently, and you'll see your channel blow up to the moon. You have the first sign is consistent upload and channel activity. Yes, if you're a creator, you need to be consistent. YouTube love when your channel is always active. Even though you cannot upload videos, try to make your channel active in one way or the other. Not just random posting, but consistent upload. Yes, even if it's one video a week, can help you to trust your channel only if you are doing it the right way, optimizing it, giving YouTube enough data. Now here is the thing, YouTube sees that you are a serious creator and they will start thinking that this creator keeps producing content people enjoy, even though your content is blurry or anything. That is what they will think, and they will start considering giving your channel and your video a push. So if you have been consistent, that is another green light. Keep it up, okay? But do not worry, if you are small, consistency beats occasional viral luck every time. So you need to be consistent no matter what, okay? Now the fifth sign you will notice is that your videos are starting getting suggested in related video. This is what every creator wants to experience on every of their video, for their videos to be getting in Google search, suggested and recommended by YouTube. Now when you start getting this suggestion, this recommendation, your video will start appearing in so many places, even in the suggested video column. This is a huge sign, and you need to keep that particular optimization up. It means that YouTube algorithm is now recognizing your content as valuable and related to what viewers already watch. So that is why now if a particular video on your channel goes viral, learn what makes that video to go viral. Ask yourself, are viewers coming from other videos, not just your channel? Are they coming under other creators' video? That is YouTube nudging your content to a bigger audience. If you start noticing that viewers are finding your videos through maybe Think Media Video, Lorisi, Chiamaka, and other big creators you have been admiring, keep it up. Congratulations. And you need to start learning what makes that video to go viral so that you can implement it in other videos you are about to upload. Now here is a tip. Always make a content around your niche. Do not switch niche. If you do, YouTube can easily recommend your videos next to similar ones. Just like I said, that is how small channels get big fast. I started noticing this particular sign on this particular video, and guys, I keep making videos related to that particular video. This particular video, as I'm talking to you, is at 12 point something, 12.7k views. So these are the 5 signs YouTube might push your channel or even blow your channel. Before you even know it, the watch time and average view durations are improving. Once you notice that these particular signs are improving, you need to keep it up. You notice that your click-through rate is going up. Congratulations. And your early engagement, the moment you upload your video, is always strong. You are consistent with upload. Your videos are always appearing in suggested videos. That is when you optimize that particular video very, very well. If you want me to do a comprehensive video how to optimize a video, let me know in the comment section. And now here is the exciting part. If you notice 2 or 3 of this sign already happening on your channel, bro, congratulations. That is a green light that the YouTube is about to push your channel, and you need to keep that impression very, very high. YouTube is basically saying, go on my brother, go on my sister, I trust you, let's show your video to more people. And remember, even if your channel is small or you are a new YouTuber, these signs are your secret weapons. You need to concentrate on these signs. You need to focus on them. Optimize your content, because your content will not get suggested if you do not optimize it very well. Even though the video is the best topic you have ever seen on this YouTube, but so long as it is not properly optimized, YouTube will not show it to people who are interested. And always don't forget to stay consistent. Once you start doing all these things and once you start noticing all the signs, what next? Growth will follow your channel. So if you want more video about the new strategies to use, the new YouTube rules, things that are not working and things that are working right now, I recommend you to this video. Go and watch this particular video. And if you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Dara. I grow and help small YouTubers who want to grow organically. So hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications. Comment below in the comment section which of these signs you are already seeing on your channel after watching this video. I have loved to celebrate your wins with you. So let me know in the comment section, and thank you for watching to the part of this video. I'm going to see you on my next video. Bye.